What happens in Minnesota? Most people are alarmed when they hear how Minnesota handles their same-day voter registration.
The Minnesota Voters Alliance announced that it is filing a petition with the state Supreme Court regarding same-day voter registration, claiming that this leads to unconstitutional actions and votes.
And if your government can't run clean elections, well, you've got a problem with your government.
The Alliance explains that in the average presidential election year, more than 500,000 people do not have their voter eligibility determined prior to casting their votes, going on to say that nearly 10% of those individuals cannot be confirmed as eligible voters.
In presidential election years, an average of 540,000 people in Minnesota register on election day and vote. And one of the things we learned is that the voter registration applications that those people fill out are not even entered into the statewide voter registration system, the SVRS, until 42 days, up to 42 days after the election.
Attorney for the case, Eric Cardall, explained why he thinks this case is of monumental importance.
In 2008, an election was determined by ineligible voters, and that was a history-turning election, and it was due to voters who were restricted by court orders voting. And are we going to put our foot down or not? And that's what this lawsuit's about.
If the Alliance has their way, this could greatly change how Minnesotans vote in the future. Be sure to subscribe to Alpha News as we continue to track this developing story. Thank you for joining us. I'm Julia Aaron with Alpha News.